Well, good early Sunday morning to you. It's Dan. Lord of mercy, I want to welcome y'all to my home in the sticks. Hope everybody's having a sure enough good weekend. But I'm here to tell you, over here in East Central Mississippi, it's beautiful today. The sun is just starting to rise. It's early. It's about 07:15. It's probably about 67 or so degrees in East Central Mississippi. But what I wanted to share with y'all today is I wanted to do a little fall raised bed garden update. I got some stuff growing on and I sure enough want to share it with you. So give me a second and that's what we finna do. All right, you and y'all, here we go. We over here in this 8 by 3 raised bed. This is where I planted the carrots. And look now, got some carrots coming up. Quite pleased with that. Yeah, I don't mind my solar panel. That's what I use to charge my battery to run my water pumps on my water storage tanks. But look at there. They just coming up all over the place. I'm here to tell you, I'm just showing a tickle pink over that. Now, I think the soil structure in this bed is just not right. I think it'll grow some stuff. I think it'll grow these carrots, but I think next season I'm probably gonna redo this bed right here. I'm probably gonna redo all of these beds, you know, over here. I'm just gonna redo these beds and I'll probably look into making some of that super soil that Mark and Miss T over at Bumblebee Junction playing all of that stuff in. And I'm probably gonna add a whole bunch of perlite into this bed, maybe half of it, next time I plant my carrots. But if you're interested in seeing how I planted these carrots using a dibbler or a dibble, and I was a dibbler, I'll put a link maybe over here and y'all can peep that out if you want to. Carrots are looking okie dokie. Maybe we'll get some carrots here in a couple of months. As far as everything else over here, nothing has changed. I actually pulled off one of those habaneros over there and ate it, and I'm here to tell you, them jokers are warm. I got some yellow ones and some red ones on there. I don't know if you can see them. My gourds just basically took over this trellis. I have a lot of Malabar spinach still on here, and this stuff is quite tasty, I'm here to tell you. And what I'm gonna do is, I'm not actually gonna save any of the seeds for the Malabar, but what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna let them seed themselves. Once they drop in the raised bed, they can get their grow on again next year. We'll just have to see. But I just have a ton of gourds all over the place, and these gourds vines are just growing everywhere, and that's cool because I sure enough like the gourds. Whoop, that didn't work. And my other peppers over there, they still growing wildly. That's what's going on over here on the north side of the 40. We finna walk over yonder to the south side of the 40, and I'm gonna show you what's going on over there. All right, look at her. I'm here to tell you, once I put the fertilizer to these guys, them jokers are growing. There's the, that is the true blue collards, and them jokers are just, ooh, Lord, they getting their grow on. Cauliflower and my broccoli, they still growing. Look, I mean, look at the size of this thing. That's how tall they have grown just in a week. Here is my stonehead cabbage, and it is showing off growing. What I'm probably gonna do is, well, not probably, I am, this evening, I'm gonna hit these guys with that Job's fertilizer again and just repeat it weekly, because I'm here to tell you, it looks like it's working out really good. So, brassicas are growing really, really well. Then on the other side, of course, there are my Vortex and Kentucky Wonders. They are starting to bloom. Probably gonna hit them with that high phosphorus liquid soluble fertilizer and just get them to showing up, put out a whole bunch of beans. And there's my rutabagas. They still growing pretty good. I think they are liking the fertilizer as well. Booyah. Look at that Cushaw squash. That joke has got to be every bit of 20 foot long now. It's got a bunch of pretty flowers on it. And it's got a bunch of squash that are getting their grow on. Look at there. I do, however, have a question, and I will pose this question to Mr. James over at Old School with a Modern Twist, and also Mark and Miss T over at Bumblebee Junction, because both of them grow this species of squash. But I have found that I have a few. Let's see, where they at? There it is. That one could come off. I have a few that are doing this. Well, two really. It's kind of like a blossom end rot maybe, because that's the end where the flower grows. And I had a few of them do that. So, Mr. James, Mark, if y'all could fill me in on if you have seen this or this has happened with your Cushaw squash, what's going on. I don't know. I don't think it's an overwatering issue, and I don't think it's an over fertilizing issue. So I don't know. I do have, you know, quite a few that are actually getting their grow on, but I have a few others that had looked like that. Kind of thinking maybe the big leaves are blocking out the squash and it's not really getting sun, maybe. I don't know. But if you would, y'all clue me in on what that could possibly be, because if I could remedy it and fix it, I will, because I want to show and I'll try to keep every one of those Cushaw squash that I'm growing, because I'm liking them. All I wanted to do, just a fall crop raised bed update for you, because things are really growing over here right now. I'm quite happy with how everything is growing, especially with the fertilization routine that I'm doing on them. It's cool. Carrots, sure enough, loving that. And Lord of mercy. So again, y'all, I hope everybody's having a sure enough good weekend, a safe weekend. If you like this video, go on and give it a thumbs up. They help. If you haven't subscribed to the Home and Sticks channel, y'all need to come on over here and give me a look, because like, I'm always doing stuff. Really. And with that being said, you know it's coming. Dan Referee sure enough always gonna say it. Don't let nobody dull your shine. And I mean nobody. You sure enough get your shine on. I am. And we will see you and y'all in the next video.